Today we are going to learn about the different names of insect. First we see the actions of insect. Students, do you know that insect? This is a caterpillar. Caterpillar crawl. Crawl means to move slowly on hands and knees. Then ant. Students, do you know how the ant moves? The ant moves by march. March. A formal rhythmic way of walking used especially by soldiers. Students, have you seen the march past? Independence Day or Republic Day, soldiers used to walk with a rhythm, that is a march. Then butterfly. Do you like butterfly? Students, how the butterfly moves? It moves with the help of wings. Butterfly, fly. Fly means move through the air using wings. Move through the air using wings. Then snail. Snail, slide. Slide means move continuously along a surface. Then grasshopper. Grasshopper, jump. An act of jumping from a surface by pushing towards with one's legs and feet, that is jump. Then we see poem. Topic, Incy Wincy Spider. What is the topic? Incy Wincy Spider. Students, see the first stanza. First I read, then I explain. Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed poor Incy out. Long ago, one spider was there. Its name's called Incy Wincy. This spider climbed up to the water spout. It means top of the pipes which ask pour up and down part. Suddenly rain has come the poor spider Incy bush outside. Then I read second stanza. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. And Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the spout again. After that sunshine came out, that means sun has come, all the rain has dried up. No water inside the water spout. Spider was so happy. And again he went inside the water spout. Students, one more I read. Incy Wincy Spider. Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed poor Incy out. Out came the sunshine and dried up all the rain. And Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the spout again.
a spider climbed up the spout again.
Then we see preposition. Preposition is a word that shows relationship between a noun or pronoun with other words in a sentence. Preposition indicate time, position and direction. That is called preposition. Now we see some examples. Preposition in. Students, look at the picture. The boy is in the box. Then on. The ball is on the table. Then under. The ball is under the table. Then near. The ball is near the table. Let us see the book back exercise. Fill in the blanks. Students, look at the picture and tell the answer. The fish is dash the bowl. The fish is in the bowl. Then second, the ladybug is dash the leaf. The ladybug is on the leaf. Then tick the correct word. Here three options is there. First question, the cockroach is dash the shoes. The cockroach is near the shoes. Then second question, the ladybug is dash the box. The ladybug is in the box. Then third, the ant is dash the chair. The ant is under the chair. Then fourth, the butterfly is dash the ball. The butterfly is on the ball. Then circle the correct picture for given the word. One word is given, two pictures is there. First on. Which one is correct? Second picture. So you circle it. Then in. Which picture is correct? Yes, first picture you circle it. Then third, near. First picture or second picture? Which picture is correct? Yes, second. So you circle it. Then fill in the blanks. Star, S-T-A-R, star. Park, P-A-R-K, park. Blast, B-L-A-S-T, blast. F-A-S-T, fast. Then fill in the blanks with the actions of the insect. Butterfly, action, fly. Then grasshopper, jump. Caterpillar, crawl. Then match the following with the action. Ant, march. Then second, caterpillar, crawl. Third, snail, slide. Fourth, butterfly, fly. Fifth, grasshopper, jump. Thank you.